Hmm. Read the question.
Ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident.
Okay. What are the conditions?
A1 by A2, B1 by
Yeah.
B2, and C1 by C2.
So first comparing the ratios. So given equations. So on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. First you have comparing. Next find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at point, intersecting point, are parallel or coincident. Okay. So what is the condition intersecting line condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, two lines are intersecting at point. There are parallel line condition A1 by A2 is equal, B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Next, coincident line condition A1 by A2 is equal, B1 by B2 is equal, C1 by C2. Okay. So first given equations 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. First equation 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Second equation. So comparing a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 4 and c1 equal to 8. Just next a2 x coefficient is 7, b2 y coefficient is 6, c2 y coefficient constant. So comparing ratios. A1 by A2, 5 by 7. B1 by B2, minus 4 by 6. 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, minus 2 by 3. C1 by C2, 8 by minus 9. Since A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, they were intersecting lines. So, or intersecting lines. Right. 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Given linear equations, 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. So comparing then the compare చేయాలంటే a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal 0 తో కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో వెంటనే హియర్ a1 is equal 9, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal 12, a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal 6, c2 is equal 24. Comparing ratios. A1 by A2. 9 by 18. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, 1 by 2. B1 by B2. Okay, 3 by 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 1 by 2. C1 by C2. 12 by 24. 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja, 1 by 2. Since what condition? No? Since A1 by A2 is equal B1 by B2 is equal C1 by C2. Therefore, they were coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay, right now. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. And 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Change. Okay, given equations. Six x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So comparing coefficients, a1 equal to 6, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to 10, a2 is equal to b2 equal to minus 1, c2 equal to 9. Comparing ratios. A1 by A2. 6 by 2. 1 by 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. 3 by 1 3. B1 by B2. Minus 3 by minus 1. Negative negative cancel. 3 by 1 3. C1 by C2. 10 by 9. So what is observed? Since A1 by A2 is equal B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, they were parallel lines. Okay, right now. On comparing the ratios, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2. Find out whether the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. First of all, what are the conditions? What is the consistent? When did consistent ma? The condition is A1 by A2 is equal B1 by B2 is not okay, is not equal to C1 by C2. Next, A1 by A2 is equal B1 by B2 is equal C1 by C2. These two conditions are consistent or dependent. Consistent means or or another meaning dependent lines. Dependent lines. Next, another condition, A1 by A2 is equal, B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, or no solution అని కూడా అంటాం. Or no solution, or independent, or inconsistent. Inconsistent or no solution. No solution. So another name ఏంటి మా వీటికి intersecting అని కూడా అంటాం. Intersecting lines. Okay, unique solution. Unique solution అన్న కూడా ఇదే కండిషన్. దీనికి okay, coincident lines are infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solutions. So ఈ కండిషన్ కూడా సేమ్. మొత్తం 3 కండిషన్స్. ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ అన్నా, యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్స్ అన్నా, కన్సిస్టెంట్ అన్నా, డిపెండెంట్ అన్నా సేమ్ కండిషన్. కోఇన్సిడెంట్ ఇన్ఫినైట్ సొల్యూషన్స్ అన్నా ఇదే కండిషన్. ఇక్కడ నో సొల్యూషన్స్ అన్నా, ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంట్ అన్నా మీనింగ్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లంకి వెళ్దాం. The first problem, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 3x minus 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Given linear equations, equation 3x plus 2y plus 5 transposing left side minus 5 is equal to 0. Equation 1. 2x minus 3y plus 7 transposing left side minus 7. So comparing a1x plus b1y plus c1. So a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 5. a2 equal to b2 equal to minus 3, c2 equal to minus 7. So on comparing ratios, a1 by a2 is equal 3 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal 2 by minus 3. c1 by c2 is equal minus 5 by minus 7. Negative cancel, 5 by 7. Since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So rendu is not equal to a1 by a2, b1 by b2 is not same values. So therefore, which lines the pair of linear equations is inconsistent. Hence, the pair of linear equations is consistent. Okay, right down. So these two homework ma. The fourth one, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal 7, 9x minus 10y is equal 14. How to solve? Given equations, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal 7. First find out 2, 3 LCM, 6 cross multiplication. 3 3 ja 9x, 2 5 ja 10y. By 6 equals 7. 6 is transposing left side, multiplication. 7 into 6. 9x plus 10y is equal 7 into 6. 9x plus 10y equal to 42. Plus 42 transposing left side minus 42. 9x plus 10y minus 42 equal to 0. Second equation already given. 9x minus 10y plus 14 transposing left side minus 14 equal 0. Comparing ratios. So A1 value 9, B1 value 10, C1 value minus 42. A2 value 9, B2 value minus 10, C2 value minus 14. Comparing ratios. A1 by A2, 9 by 9, that is the value 1. B1 by B2, 10 by minus 10. Okay. 10 by minus 10, అంటే minus 1. Positive 10 by negative 10. 10 cancel, minus 1. C1 by C2, minus 14 by minus 42, minus cancel, 14 1 ja, 14 3 ja, 1 by 3. Since A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Why? Because ikkada positive 1, negative 1, where ma? Both are not same. The pair of linear equations is consistent. Okay, write down. Homework. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Same. 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. I have explained. So first given linear equations, 4 by 3x plus 2y is written as fraction form by 1 is equal to 8. LCM 3, 4 into 1, 4x plus 3 2 ja 6y is equal to 8. Cross mark, same method. 4x plus 6y is equal 3 into 18, 24. 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. 4x plus 6y minus 24 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 12 transposing left side minus 12. So comparing ratios. 1 or 2. So here A1 is equal to 4, B1 equal to 6, C1 equal to minus 24. A2 equal to 2, B2 equal to 3, C2 equal to minus 12. Comparing ratios. A1 by A2, 4 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 by 1, 2. B1 by B2, 6 by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 by 1, 2. C1 by C2, minus 24 by minus 12. All are same. Negative, negative cancel. Since A1 by A2 is equal, B1 by B2 is equal, C1 by C2. What condition, ma? Hence, the pair of linear equation, is consistent. Idi kuda consistent, or another name, dependent. Okay. So ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ is not equal to say inconsistent. Okay, do homework.